Welcome to my channel. Today, we'll be talking about whether you can link your Koho account to PayPal. The short answer is yes, you can. You can link your Koho card to your PayPal account just like you would with any other Visa or MasterCard. To link your Koho card to PayPal, log into your PayPal account, go to the Wallet or My Money section, and choose to link a new debit or credit card. You'll enter your Koho card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. PayPal may send a small verification charge to your Koho account to confirm the card, which will be refunded. You can also link your Koho account as a bank account to receive direct deposits from PayPal. To do this, you'll need your Koho direct deposit details, which you can find in the Koho app. Keep in mind that the name on your PayPal account must match the name on your Koho account for the linking to be successful. If you run into any issues, you can contact Koho or PayPal's customer support for assistance. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.